what position are you applying for?
Front desk officer, sir.
Okay, how about Miss Sebi?
Sales service.
Okay, how about Miss Valeras?
Receptionist.
Okay, how about Miss Bucaras?
Administrative assistant.
Okay, how about Miss Lolona?
Tour guide, sir.
Okay, since I know your position applying for, so let's start the interview. So I have here the 5 questions. Okay, let's start from tell me about yourself. So let's start from Miss Soyong.
Mabuhay, sir. I am Ravleen Claire Suyong, a recent tourism management graduate from Visayas State University. I am passionate about delivering customer service and creating a welcoming environment for guests. Also, I am eager to apply my skills and contribute positively to Summit Hotel Tacloban.
Okay, thank you so much. How about Miss Sebi?
Mabuhay, sir. My name is Chelsea and I'm recently graduated at Visayas State University for Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. So all I can tell about myself, sir, is that I am punctual, I can go on time, and I can go to work on time, and I can assign tasks on me, and I can pass it on time as well. And I'm a kind person, sir. I think everyone everyone can approach me, so I think that's good for sales representatives, sir, because customers can approach me easily. That's it.
How about Miss Valeras?
Mabuhay, sir. I am Reverend Valeras. Freshly graduated of Tourism Management from Visayas State University. I am responsible and a motivated person who enjoy working with people. I'm willing to learn and I take my task seriously.
Thank you so much. How about Miss Bucaras?
Hi, sir. I'm Marianne Morales, French Tourism Management graduate from Visayas State University. I'm recognized, detail-oriented, and trained in operation management and customer service excellence. I work well in a structured environment and excel in written communication, making me a strong fit for administrative support roles.
Thank you. How about Miss Rolon?
So I am a tourism management graduate. I have a successful entrepreneurial background. I am a hardworking and motivated person, and I learn fast, adjust easily, and always try to do my best. And my skills in customer engagement and rapid execution are fortified by my formal trainings and personal life experiences, and that made me prepared to deliver an exquisite service in our industry.
Thank you so much. Next is, why are you interested in this position? So, can I have the answer from Miss Sebi?
Okay. I admire Summit Hotel commitment to quality service and welcoming guests with a warm Filipino approach. With that, I believe with my positive attitude, adaptability, and passion for assisting travelers make me a strong fit for this role. With that, I'm so excited to contribute to a team that values guest satisfaction.
Okay, thank you so much. How about Miss Sebi? Why are you applying for this position?
So my strength, sir, is that I have a basic knowledge of computers, sir. So if there are things that I need to do in relation to computers, like listing stocks or finding documents, I can handle it well, sir. And if there are more things that I need to learn, I can easily also reduce.
Okay, thank you so much. How about Miss Valeras?
My strength, sir, is I am patient and attentive to the guest needs. I follow instruction well and work effectively with that too.
Thank you. How about Miss Bucaras?
My strengths include strong organization, attention to detail, and professionalism. I'm great at schedule system and purpose organization. I also learn quickly and adapt well to new tasks.
Thank you so much. How about Miss Rolon?
So my core strength, sir, is entrepreneurial cleverness, and multitasking proficiency, and rapid execution that will ensure a successful operation in this industry.
Okay, thank you so much. Next, can you describe the time you handled a difficult customer? So, let's start from Ms. Lego again.
While working at Evelyn the store, a customer was upset about pricing error. With that, I stayed calm, listened carefully, and resolved the issue by correcting the price. The customer left satisfied, and with that, I also learned the importance of empathy and clear communication.
Thank you so much. So, how about Ms. Sebi, since we are dealing with people every day in our industry, in our work as well. So, how do you handle stressful or fast-paced works?
For me personally, sir, I have to take 1 to 2 minute break to calm myself down and tell myself that it's okay, I can finish this, just calm down and empty my mind sometimes and after that, sir, I can go back to doing my assigned tasks.
Thank you so much. How about Ms. Derek?
For me, sir, I will stay focused and prioritize urgent needs and maintain calm and firmly tone even during the peak hours.
Thank you so much. How about Ms. Morales?
I stay calm by organizing tasks, prioritizing deadlines, and breaking work into manageable steps. I also communicate clearly with the team to avoid confusion and maintain productivity.
Thank you so much. How about Ms. Bologna?
So I handle that, sir, by staying calm and focused, and I prioritize what's in need and I focus on the solution.
Okay, thank you so much. Next, how do you deal with, let's say, what are your salary expectations? Sorry.
I'm open to discussing the range for this salary position, but my main focus is to gain experience, contribute to the hotel, and to grow professionally in tourism and guest services. That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. How about Ms. Seti? How would you deal with, let's say, difficult customer or irate customers in your workplace?
Personally, I have tried that actually, sir, when I was a teller at the BCS local outlet. Other people lash out sometimes or like they rant about how their day is going, sometimes it is bad and I think so it affects me a little, sir, because they are like angry and what I do in that moment, sir, is I compose myself and I let myself listen to what they are saying without citing. They just want the people just want someone to listen to them, sir, and empathize.
Okay, thank you so much. How about Ms. Torres?
I listen verbally to the guest, sir, and remain calm and apologize when speaking and take action to resolve the concern quickly as possible.
Thank you so much. How about Ms. Morales? How are you going to handle those kind of customers that are irate or, let's say, difficult to handle?
I would stay calm, listen actively, and show empathy. I would acknowledge their concerns and offer solutions professionally. My FPSC training taught me how to handle with patience and respect.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Morales. How about last one, Ms. Bologna? How are you going to handle those kind of, let's say, customers that are difficult to handle or irate guests?
So, sir, as what I've experienced as a part-time vendor in the public market and here in Baybay, I experienced that multiple times, sir. Dealing with that customer is honestly hard to handle, but I stay calm and focused, and I use my interpersonal skills to listen to them and to accommodate their concern to satisfy their needs.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you to the both of you. So, good luck and God bless in your we will call you na lang sa inyong mga can I have your folder na lang? So much. So much. So much. Okay, good job everyone.
Same